Smart Home Expo 2025. Well, I just happened to visit that with my team, and you won't believe the kind of products, the technologies that we got an opportunity to witness live in action at this exhibition. Now, don't worry, we have got the entire exhibition covered for you with lots of videos that are going to come to your way. So, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. And the first product that I'm going to share with you is actually from a company called Avantgarde. Now, Avantgarde is a German company making some amazing two-channel stereo speakers, and we had Bass N Treble guys from Delhi take care of this booth. And this is my exclusive interview with them, talking about their entire lineup of products, including the Avantgarde speakers as well as all the other brands that they carry in their portfolio. So, let's begin. First of all, thank you so much for helping us be a part of this particular small video series that we are doing covering the Smart Home Expo. So first of all, whoever is passing by, I can see their heads turning up to see the speaker. I don't know if it's the red color, if it's the poppiness of this color or the speaker, the horn loaded design. So according to you, what makes this particular speaker setup stand out in this exhibition, and what kind of listener or room are these speakers meant for?
So you are right, it's quite a showstopper. That's for purely for the look, I assume. Like someone who was here yesterday put it right, quite right. He said I was very impressed by how it looked, but I didn't expect it would be a good sounding speaker. But he sat down and he heard it and he said, wow, I'm very shocked that they actually also sound really good. It's the world's best horn speaker. It's anyway one of the best speakers in the world. Avantgarde is designed and made in Germany.
Okay.
And a lot of engineering goes into making this speaker. This particular model is called the Duo GT. It's an active speaker, comes with built-in amplifier, which is also a very high quality amp that has gone into the speaker. We're only using a streamer with it as the source.
Okay.
The other model we have here, iTron, is also an active speaker, and this is a new model which is come with the same amp. And that one there has been of great interest to several people because it's perhaps the smallest and the most budget-friendly speaker made by Avantgarde so far. It's called Colibri. Colibri. This is actually this is the speaker. It's mounted on the subwoofer.
Okay.
You can separate the two, keep it separately. You can even wall mount the speaker. So it's really popular in how many applications you can use it. We've actually used it in a large lounge room for party sound as well. And it's great for personal listening as well.
So these are all wooden boxes, or are these metal boxes, like, or is it a mix of both?
Mix of both.
Okay.
Construction, if you ask me, I'm not very sure. I'll have to check on that and get back.
No problem.
But it is, yeah.
And typically there's a notion that when it's a horn-loaded Twitter, particularly, not just the speaker, but Twitter, it's going to be very loud or very harsh on the ears. Is that really so? And if not, how are these different from the traditional horn speakers that anybody sees in the rest of the brands?
It can go loud because
Okay.
it is currently placed in an open setting and we are able to blast it even here. So of course it goes loud, and I think it's best suited for large spaces.
Okay. So what is the approx size that you would love to put them out to start with? What is the room size that
So
the speakers
we've
can
put
mount?
these
The big
Duo
ones.
GTs in
Yeah.
our lobby room in our showroom, which is the average sized living room in most apartments. So you can put it there, and sounds great there also. We did have to move it out from our demo room though, which was smaller, and there the the bass was getting a little constricted.
So
we brought it out.
It could open up
Played
properly.
in all full glory. But as far as being harsh is concerned, no, they are not.
The horn
You
tweeters
can-
are
No.
not necessarily.
You can go as loud as you want, it's still not going to be harsh.
Okay. And is there any space optimization or any room acoustic calculation that they have to be tuned according to, or not required? You just plug and play.
You do have to tune it.
Okay.
In fact, we did quite a bit tuning here also. Since this space is also, every space comes with its own, we do program it and tune it as per the room.
Okay. And the brand has their own proprietary software, or it's all manual fine tuning?
No,
that you
it
use?
has its own proprietary software.
Okay.
So you can plug your laptop at the back to the
Okay.
speaker and program the speaker to sound it. You can tweak the bass highs, mids based on the room and the sound you like.
And what is the typically pricing that anybody can look at when they have to look at these speakers? Where do they start from, and how big can they go?
Starts from that one, as I said, which is why it is quite popular, and to be able to own an Avantgarde for 12.5 lakh is quite a steal. However ironic that sounds, but
Very true.
and if you want to add the subwoofer, that's another 6 lakh. So you can have a 2.1 system of Colibri
Okay.
for around 18 lakh. That's the most affordable range. And this one is somewhere in the middle. It costs 32 lakh for a pair.
Both are again active.
Yeah,
So you just
they're
need a
active.
streamer.
You don't have to add a amplifier, just a streamer. And this pair, of course, is the bomb. So it's priced at 1.10, and you need to Crore, and you need to add a streamer to this.
Okay. So that's exciting price range. I'm pretty sure those who really want a piece of statement in their home, they can definitely or should look at these product range.
Yes.
So in the India, how has the two-channel market been? Because you guys have got most of your portfolio products are into two-channel hi-fi stereo setups.
Yeah.
And is that what Bass N Treble stands for, or you guys also take care of any home theater product range as well?
Theaters as well, and we do multi-room audio, any kind of sound commercial, but our first love is stereo, because we got into this business because of our love for music, and that overrides, I would say, theater.
Okay.
But not that we don't do it. Of course, it's all about good sound, whether you hear it in multi-channel
or in stereo
music.
Yes.
But music, I would say, is a tougher nut to crack than theater, because someone who is as passionately into music to be investing in systems like these is also very tuned in how they want their sound to be. So a stereo client, everyone watches TV, maybe not as many people listen to music as passionately as people watch TV, maybe. That's the only reason why there are fewer
Two-channel or stereophiles in the...
Yes.
Okay.
But if you look at quality, then a stereo will always go higher than what a theater does.
So you have also built up your own portfolio of brands.
Yes.
So do you want us to, do you want to share the kind of brands that you have got? Where are they from? What do they specialize in?
Yeah, so you've already seen Avantgarde. These are from Germany. We also have Furutech here. This perhaps is our highest selling product, because everyone needs good cables. As I said, even if you put any other brand system, you still need to put a really good cable. We have subwoofer cables here. We have speaker cables, power cords. Power cords are very popular of Furutech, and if you see the quality of it, you will know why. And yeah, so just hold them, see them. They're the best. If you go to Munich High End, which is a stereo show,
the biggest stereo show,
you will see at least 70% of the demo rooms in Munich
using
Furutech.
So this company is from?
It's from Japan. I think Japan is our favorite when it comes to hi-fi. And these are Canor amplifiers. These are tube-based Class A amps. They make DACs, integrated amps. They also they work really well with the Avantgarde speakers outside, which are very high sensitivity. So if you pair them with a tube amp, they sound really good. That's why we have them here. And but we tried it with our other speakers also, and they were fantastic, phenomenal.
So tube amps, and then you have an integrated hybrid amp. Then you have a DAC, which is again tube-based DAC.
Yeah.
So what makes a tube-based DAC more special than the regular DAC? Like?
I think it's the richness and the warmth in sound.
Okay.
That the tubes bring, which applies to the amps, the DAC, everything. If there's tube in it, you know that it is refined, smooth, single malt sound. If single malt had a sound version. And then we have Dad Labs here, which is one of my personal favorites. This is also from Japan, which is why we have Mount Fuji there in the background.
Okay.
These, if you know Pioneer, so the founder
Yes.
of Pioneer wanted to make something that was not restricted by cost and be the best sounding system in the world, and he created amplifiers and speakers. Keeping that in mind, it's called TAD Labs, TAD Laboratories, and that's a DAC, preamp, power amp, and speakers, all from TAD Labs. These, like when I told you, space. I
Yeah.
think these bookshelves sound
In case for
good
small
in
space, they.
smaller spaces, which is probably why it's very popular in Bombay.
So these are full range, or I mean,
It's a
in
full
terms of
range bookshelf,
three-way
yes.
or a two-way, two and a half
You
way.
can call it a three-way bookshelf.
Okay.
And then we have the Moon Audio amplifiers. Moon by Sim. Audio is a Canadian brand. They make streamers, DACs, preamps, power amps, everything, and they're one of the best streamers in the world. You can get an all-in-one, everything in one box kind of amplifier from Moon, and
Moon as well.
I think it beats the pants of most other brands that come in a all-in-one box.
So I can see that they have a very signature design, which is common for all the
Yeah.
amplifiers,
In fact,
like the other brand, which has got a same signature style. So is it for people to kind of spot it even from distance that okay, this is the Moon that you're looking at?
Yeah, it's I think very evident. As soon as you see a Moon, you know it's a Moon. We have people who walk into our showroom and know already what is what, because I think all of these brands have a particular
Style,
signature
yeah,
look to
right.
them. I love Moon Audio. They look very stylish, and I love that display. Do you see
Yes.
that on the? This is a streamer. This is what we're using with the Avantgarde right now.
Okay.
And I just love how that display appears on this.
Amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much, Jenny, for your time.
You're welcome. Thank
And
you.
we wish you all the best for
Thanks.
not just the show, but everything apart from that
Thank
in
you.
the regular business as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.